Hi everyone! Welcome to the Girls STEM Day 2021 Computer Science and Electrical Engineering activity. Today we're going to learn how to build flower circuits. So who are electrical engineers and computer scientists? Electrical engineers think and make new and greener ways to use electricity safely. They found ways to use renewable electricity sources such as wind and the sun to power our homes. Computer scientists put our ideas into a language called code that a computer can understand. Yep, that's right, computers speak an entirely different language. So they can gather data and find new ways to best use energy and power to help our environment. The engineering process. So computer scientists and electrical engineers work together using the engineering design process. So what's the engineering design process? Well, we ask a question, then we imagine how we can do it, we plan how we're going to do it, we create it, we test it, we improve it, and then we share our ideas with the world. So what are circuits? A circuit is a complete path where electricity can flow. So when the electric current flows, it can be used to power different things, like a light bulb. So when you turn your flashlight on, or when you turn on a light switch and a light bulb turns on, that's because it's a circuit. How do circuits work? There has to be an energy source where the circuit can receive the electricity. So if you see those really big windmills or you see solar panels on top of someone's house, they're getting energy so that they can power their homes. So circuits have three main parts. They have wires, a device that the electricity powers, and a power source. And all the parts must be connected for this to work. So if you can see in our little diagram, a battery and wires are used to make a light bulb turn on. And when the wires are not connected, the light bulb turns off. Now, guess what? We get to create our very own circuit. So what you'll need is a light bulb from your Christmas lights or from a small flashlight. And if you're getting it from the Christmas lights, take the little bulb out of the plastic holder so its two metal ends are revealed. Or if it's from a flashlight, make sure it's small enough that it can be powered by 2D batteries or less. So what you'll need is aluminum foil, scissors, electrical tape, 1 or 2D batteries, and markers.
Hi everyone, my name is Callan, and today we're going to do an activity that'll teach us about computer science and electrical engineering. So what you're going to need is a battery, a D battery preferably, some electrical tape, some aluminum foil, some scissors, and a small light bulb. This one is one that you'll find on a Christmas tree, but if you have a small flashlight light bulb, that will work as well. So the first step is we're going to cut our aluminum foil into strips. So we're going to cut them about 2 inches thick, and we're going to cut 2 strips. Okay, once we have our 2 strips, these are going to be the wires that the current can travel through. So we're going to fold these up. You can really smush them together or fold them however you want, just so that they're a little more compact. So I'm just folding mine in half. Like this, kind of smushing it together. And I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other strip of aluminum foil. Okay, and then we smush it together. So now you're going to get your electrical tape and your battery. So if you don't know, a battery has a positive side, which is the one with the little lump on it, and a negative side, which is flat. So we're going to tape our aluminum foil to across the negative side, and then our other strip is going to go across the positive side. So we're just going to tape it with our electrical tape, just like this. And we'll get our other strip and tape it on the negative side. Just like this. So then you should have a battery with 2 strips of aluminum foil coming from it. So now, if you have a Christmas light, you don't even need to tape. You can just touch the light to the 2 sides of the aluminum foil and it'll light up. So you just can play around with that, and you can even decorate yours with flowers to make it spring themed. Okay, so we're going to show you how to tape a light bulb if you're using a light bulb that looks like this. So make sure you get a smaller light bulb, like one from a flashlight, to make sure that your battery can turn it on. So remember we said that the battery has a positive and a negative side. So the positive side has the little bump on it, and the negative side is flat. So we taped this piece of aluminum foil to the negative side. So we're going to take our light bulb and wrap the end of this piece of foil around this golden part of the light bulb. Just like this. And then we're going to tape it on, make sure it's secure with our electrical tape. And then we'll just be able to tap this against our positive side to make sure to see the light bulb turn on. Now make sure that you're using a small light bulb. If your light bulb isn't turning on, it might be because it's too big. Okay, so if you're using a Christmas light, you'll cut it off and you'll see these little wires here. You may want to have someone help you do that, but you just get the strips and you'll touch the cords of one side to the cords of the other, and your light bulb should turn on, just like that.
Spring has sprung. Now that spring is here, there will be more sun and wind to help power our homes. Using sustainable power is a great way to help our planet stay green and healthy. So on your circuit, to make it spring themed, you can draw flowers on your aluminum foil wires or decorate it with anything you'd like. Hope you have fun!